Everybody that comes down here parks and eats a sandwich. I wonder what that's about. Got a bunch of old men over there smoking the oregano. But I wanted to come check this thing out. What is this? Is that a Toyota? Whatever it is. Yep. Toyota. Thing is pretty homemade here. I don't know what you call this. Is this like a surf wagon? I don't know, I like it. Yeah, you got some cool vans down here. A lot of people doing it. A lot of surfers down here, so I suppose they use it to change in and keep their boards in and do Instagram posts in. This shit's delicious. Wow.
Hey, buddy.
Mind if I take a look?
Check it out. Finishing it up right now.
Do you mind if I record?
Yes, yeah, sure.
Right on. I like the height of your bed. Dude, you got a nice little setup up here.
Yeah, I mean, bought it when COVID started. And stuck at home after work. I just started building it.
The ICO. How's that? You like that ICO?
Well, it was half the price as a Dometic or ARB, so, and it has the same interior components.
Just as good, yeah?
Yeah, the downforce compressor. It's the same shit they put in those other deals. It's just, you know what it is? I got buddies that all have those. They're thinner walls on these.
Okay.
So if you're not living in your van full time, perfect.
Yeah.
$600. You want to pay $1,200?
Ah.
And now it's probably more.
Yeah.
Nice.
Are you a carpenter? Or?
No, I just learned.
Yeah, right? That's.
But the bed turns into a king bed.
Oh, get out of here.
And that flips down.
Right.
So you can have you and your chick in it.
Right.
If I got my kid with me, he's 22 now.
Ah, that's nice.
Down right. I'm building some benches and seats right there.
So I have a setup where my bed is sort of like this too, and I have the kitchen sink here. Then I have like a mini little closet, but I'm only about this high.
Right.
So I have my mattress in there. It's a full, and I was thinking about doing what you just did, but pull through, like have some kind of platform that pulls through long-wise, and I can sleep here and the wife can sleep up on the bed.
So you want two platforms? I just went to IKEA and got the bed rail. That's what I saw everybody doing online.
Metal bed rail, yeah.
And then I got the little mounts, and then I just used the same mounts they give you, and then I bent them and manipulated them for what I needed.
Yeah.
But I wanted something solid.
Yeah.
I went and looked at vans. They were all built like with particle board and you know, mediocre parts. I mean, yeah, they had nice propane heaters, and yeah, they had nice this and that, but
yeah.
I don't know.
I got one of those too.
Yeah, Vista potties. That's probably the best one. Solid. That's not even the marine grade. The marine grade's even crazier.
Yeah.
The ones they use in yachts.
Right.
Yeah, this one's pretty good.
Yeah.
That's solid. I mean, we only pee in it.
I was gonna say, you got the bucket there, so I get it.
And, yeah, right. Double up. And then we have a little tent, shower tent. So we just leave that one in, and we put that one in the shower tent.
Are you using like a C-flow for the water pump?
This right here is just my gray water, and it's just gonna dump right into this, and then I'm gonna have another hose that's gonna come out, and I'm gonna drill a hole right through the floor.
And just drain out.
And then I'm gonna have a pump. And then that way I don't have to pull it in and out. I can if I want, but I'm gonna hook it up to where that's just for right now. this is my first build, and I'm probably gonna put a tank underneath, like a 10-gallon maybe.
Okay,
Just
I
for
see you
gray
got
water.
like something
That's
there.
20-gallon fresh.
Is that for showering?
Real well. Shower in the back too.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm doing all that right now. So, and then the water pump's gonna go right in front of all that, underneath the seat.
Yeah.
You don't even see it.
Nice.
Yeah, I was crazy with the brackets on the water because all the tanks they don't come with mounts,
Oh,
right? They don't come no mounts. These ones have these. See how these are built in?
yeah,
This is the only tank that does this on the wheel well one,
yeah.
or for any of them that matter. And then you can bolt it right through the frame, dude.
Right on.
Yeah, I know it's crazy because it's like a lot of weight when there's a lot of water in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just doing it.
We don't know. There's no real.
Well, I did construction for years, and I
Okay,
built
so-
houses. I did foundation work.
Yeah.
I framed houses. I've done roofs. I've done everything in that nature. I put rock on the walls.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But I built engines, a lot of engines, and a lot of cars.
Oh, there you
But I
go.
never combined the two.
Perfect.
But I use all Baltic birch. There's no like. The only pine board is what you see, but
Okay.
underneath it's all Baltic birch. All the cabinets, everything. And I'm putting in some exotic hardwood right now for my backsplash. That's
Yeah.
Zebra wood.
Okay.
It's crazy. Man. But yeah, I'm getting there.
Nice.
What's your name, brother?
Chico.
Chico. Melbourne.
Melbourne.
Like Australia.
Melbourne.
Smell different though.
Melbourne.
You from the area?
Yeah. Hit the road.
Where you going?
Anywhere.
Yeah, but where? You just don't know until you get there?
I'm just gonna point my nose and go that way.
Alright, well if you go north, you better bring your snow chains.
Oh yeah, for
It's
sure.
gonna be a big winter this year.
Yeah, it's already snowing in Colorado.
I know, I got buddies everywhere. My buddies
Yeah.
in Idaho, Colorado, Washington, Oregon.
This is just a two-wheel, yeah?
Yeah,
Two-wheel drive?
front wheel drive only. So this right here, it would be crazy in the snow. And I wouldn't even take it with these tires. I would have to have chains and then all-terrain,
Yeah.
3-flake tire they call them.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm right there.
Apartment right here?
Oh no, that's my apartment right there. The
Yeah?
white Ford.
Oh, okay.
That's where I'm.
Old school one.
It's a 05.
My buddy's got one like that. I'm helping him with it. He's got all kinds of rust. He bought it cheap.
Oh yeah.
I go, let me check it out. And then
They're
the wheel
known-
wells were rusted out. I go, dude, let's look underneath. And then it was bad.
Yeah.
So I ended up cutting a whole wheel well out and just welding it in for him. I told him the other one you can save. And they sprayed that tar. What's that shit called?
Oh yeah. It's like roofing tar kind of
Yeah, I used it on my wheel wells too. Looks really good. Sprayed all the inner gaps.
thing. Yep.
It's like tar. And then it gets inside the seams with the
Yeah.
flat bottom come together when they spot weld it.
Yeah.
I don't know. I got it all tied down. I did everything though. I put the solar on it, ran all the electrical. No, battery's right here. See that little box?
Okay.
See the little circuit board?
Yep.
All in that little box, dude. Everybody trips on that.
What kind of battery is it?
It's a 110 AGM, AMJ, whatever.
Yeah, AGMs.
Glass matic battery.
Yep.
And then I got Blue Sea and Victron, my MPT controller.
Nice.
MPT controller.
Very nice car.
Thank you, buddy. Custom made. You can't go buy these. I mean, I guess you could, but they sell for a lot of money now, I heard.
175.
Everybody wants one.
175-ish for a fully built.
Is that what they cost?
Yeah. What is that? A Max fan? Or a Fantastic?
Yeah, I got a Max Air fan. What is it, 7,500? It's already giving me problems.
Really? Does it leak?
No, I put it in correctly. The fan is it's got
The motor's no
some
good?
issues with the electrical, and it's stupid. They should have some kind of voltage regulator. So what happens is if you have a solar, I got it coming in. It doesn't get bigger than 12.95. So 12 volts. It's a little over. It'll go on. If this fan, if it gets anything over 13.2. Fucks the circuit board up, and then now it's broke. So when I turn it on, it goes beep beep, blinks.
And it doesn't do anything.
I didn't even know about that on the fan, so I went online. Everybody's got the same problem. They call it the bad green light.
Oh, geez.
So I went through a whole bunch of forums, and one guy he soldered on wires with that little knob, That's all I'm gonna do.
Soldered.
So I'm gonna have to take this all apart and run some wire
shit.
and put a little knob. So that's the only way around it. Or because it's out of warranty, it's over a year. Shit. What are you gonna do?
Yeah, I've been hesitating to put mine in just because I have a garage space that I'm building out in right now. So
that's what my problem was. I'm in a condo. I got no other space. I had to borrow driveways in front of my work. Bought a generator. I did it everywhere.
Yeah.
In front of the beach. Wherever I had time. I do it sometimes right here.
Yeah. No.
You're gonna get weather.
Oh yeah, for sure. I'm expecting the weather.
Yeah, it's all good.
I mean, I'm from Canada, so.
Oh, you know the deal then. I don't
shit.
need to say nothing.
It's like, don't worry about it. Well, thanks for letting me check out your van.
No worries, man. You have a great day, huh?
You too. Take care.
Yeah. Electric on this? Yeah.
Electric.
It just looks like an older van because the newer vans change in like the what is it, early 2000s.
Yeah, this is an 05.
I like that right here.
Yeah, right.
I like that
solid because I come in through here and there's nothing to pull on, and obviously my skills are limited.
I gotta get all this right here. I gotta do all my doors and my panels. What is this, quarter-inch?
Yeah.
And then just regular ply, you sanded it?
Sanded it, put some stain down.
I'll probably get it painted or maybe put material over it.
Yeah.
Look more a little higher end, but I wanted some waterproof shit, so I'm trying to maybe even some thin padding, you know, and then you know what I mean? I've been looking at upholstery videos of how to do it. So I'm not really worried about the outside. I just was worried about the rigidity of it. It looks pretty solid.
Yeah, I mean it's pretty solid.
I mean you got it backed up to the sheet metal.
Yeah. This I want to put like a serving table or put a grill on there so I can like.
I just got those they call them folding shelves.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I got there.
Yeah.
If you pull up on that.
Yep, just like that. Is it 12-inch or 10-inch?
Yeah, I need to go bigger, I think.
These are the 10-inch, it looks like.
I need to put some kind of yeah, it's not too solid. Yeah.
So all you gotta do is put a little filler in there.
Yeah.
Nice.
So
you can make it work.
Yeah, see, and I'm still wiring, so once I get it done, I'll put that.
Oh, you're gonna put something over that?
Yeah. I'm not even close to done.
That's all right.
But this
takes time.
Yeah. Don't forget your phone.
It's like a real house.
Yeah. I got that swivel in there too, so.
My other buddy already has one done like this, and then he ended up lifting it.
Yeah, dude, all these guys are hitting me up. They're like, get
Is this 4x?
No.
Oh, well, my buddy's is 4x.
Yeah.
But they want to lift your stuff up?
Yeah, they got the Action van lift kit, or they got the Weldtech.
Body lift, right?
I don't know if it's a body. It's like a full-on suspension and everything. Because it's sitting kind of squatty after I put as big a tire that I could on here.
10 rolls?
Yeah.
How much those cost you? 200 each?
About that, yeah.
Out the door?
Probably
a little more, huh?
A little more because I also had to get the brakes done. So when I bought this thing, I went to have them go check it out, and they're like, "You have no brakes on it. You have."
It's kind of worm sometimes.
Yeah. So I was like, "Get the brakes done, get the tires done. Let's just get it out."
Yeah. Sweet, man. Hey, thanks for letting me look.
Hey, no worries. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
This works, Chad. You're onto something here, Chad. I'm telling you, I think you're onto something. Turn my phone. Coffee drinking fool. That's a good story. No candy, Harley. Sit down. You sit right by the baby.
Oh,
Stay there. Sit. Sit, Harley. Sit. Sit down. Stay at the baby.
I'll message you this week. I'm trying to get down.
Hey,
tell family thank you for that.
Say hi.
Very
Stay there. You sit down. Come here, let me get your boogers.
Get you up going.
Right.
Alright. Enjoy the day.
Okay, I will. See ya.
You mind if I record?
Alright, yeah. I'm about to make your punk, so if you want to watch.
So you got what, 3 panels on top?
I have 4 100-watt panels. That hooks into a 400 amp hours worth of battery.
Are they lithium or
They are AGM.
AGMs?
Run like 4 blocks.
Yeah, after we talked, I was like, dude, we got to do this. And you got your Dometic down there.
This thing rocks.
What is that pull? It's a 12 volt?
It is. And I have not measured how many amps it uses or its voltage. Or I'm sorry, it's 12 volt, but
Yeah. This is me, yeah?
correct.
Okay.
It doesn't pull very much at all. I can tell you that.
Yeah.
I used to have one of those cheap Chinese ones in here that were like 350 bucks.
Yeah, I was looking at those and
They're cool, like whatever they were
for a while.
for a little bit. I had mine for well over a year,
Yeah.
but then I started like doing this and I was in it all the time, like back my opening,
Yeah.
closing, and it just gave
Yeah.
away and just stopped doing it.
So what are you using for a water pump?
I use an actual like house water pump. See that yellow one?
Yeah, okay. I got one of those and I hooked it all up and hooked it to the battery, turned it on, and it just shitted when the water came out. And then I tried again the next day and it turned on and turned right back off again. So I don't know.
I actually have mine, I tapped in with a light switch. See that light
Yeah,
switch?
yeah.
So
I see
can
that.
turn it off and it doesn't work.
Yeah. Yeah, that's
Or
how
I turn it on.
I have it on a rocker. So I hit it
Yeah.
and the motor would compress, and then as the water started priming and then finally went through, it just shut off. I don't know if it's a bad pump. Maybe.
Possibly. I heard some people saying that they Googled it. I don't know.
Yeah.
I got lucky with this one.
Yeah.
I read the reviews. It was a little bit more expensive.
Was it like the Seaflow or something like that?
Something like that.
Yeah, that's the one I
It was
got.
a little bit more expensive.
Yeah. It was like $70 or something
Yeah.
around that. Yeah.
And then I have it hooked to my water heater.
Right on.
That's my water heater right
Okay,
there.
you got that.
Insta hot.
And then you sleep back there, yeah?
Yeah, this wall folds down.
It
like
all
a
comes.
bed.
Wow. How long did it take to build out?
Well, it went through 3 different transformations. I built it once, and that took me like 8 months.
Yeah.
And I started living in it, and then I realized where I fucked up and where I could have like improved, and like, oh,
Yeah.
I should have put a cabinet here. I should
Right.
have put a drawer there.
Yeah.
That type of thing. So I redid it, and then I got this crazy idea to do the tea house, and
Awesome
I
idea.
changed the entire. Just $5. How you doing, my man?
Hey, what's up, man?
Thank
Oh,
you.
is it cash only?
No, I do Cash App or Venmo,
Okay.
Zelle.
Yeah, cool.
Bitcoin.
Bitcoin.
No.
It's doing pretty good right now.
Yeah, give it a little swirl, mix it all up. Can I get for you, my man?
Okay, let's see.
$70 in the rear, 60 in the front. 60 in the front is a must. It steers better. But it doesn't feel slouchy.